Everything is 50% off, guys. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing very well. So today on my video, I will be taking you guys to Oxford Street because today is, what date is today? 26th. Today is the 26th of December and that means it is Boxing Day. It's surprisingly not too crowded, as my friend was saying. She said that people will camp outside, but I don't see anyone out here. But the queue to Lush is very long, guys. Like, we're about to get in just 20 minutes, but look at the queue. But yeah, if you guys are interested, keep watching this video, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Oh my god. Everything is 50% off, guys. Oh my god. Yes! Woo! 3, 2, 1. Yes, yes. Is everything 50% off?
Only the Christmas stuff.
Only, and where do I find that?
So everything with 50% on them, it means 50% discount.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
No worries.
So guys, definitely on Boxing Day you have got to go to booths. Like, they have almost like the good stuff 50% off. Like, look at my basket. She's just finding out what to buy. Like, literally, look at everything. Everything is almost half price. They have Ted Baker, Jack Wills, Sleek, and some Disney stuff. I don't know. I usually buy my sportswear from JD Sports, and fortunately on Boxing Day they have good prices.
Excuse me.
Oh, just to let you guys know, on Boxing Day trains aren't available, so I had to wake up at 5 AM and catch the bus at 6 AM, which is 2 hours away from Oxford Street, and I arrived there at 8:15 or something. So guys, we just did our shopping from Primark. They have a lot of clearance sales, £3 for a couple of their blouses and stuff like that. But yeah, Oxford Street is really busy right now, right, Mira? What did you buy?
What did I buy? Good question.
She bought some stuff from Boots and a shirt for her mum from Primark, right?
Pretty much.
Okay, so guys, out of every shop we've been today, Zara, Urban Outfitters, Topshop and everything, I've never seen a sale so crazy in my life before. You have got to go to New Look. Like, they have insane prices, like £3, £5, £7. Like, everything that I've bought, it's not above £10. Well, only the coat that I bought is £25, but it's like from £35. But like, it's insane in here, guys. You have got to go here. What? It is quite good compared to Zara. Come on. What are you doing? She thinks I'm lying, guys. I'm not lying. It's a fact. It's really good. Okay. Okay guys, so now it's already 6 o'clock at night. We've been walking for 9 hours now. We're pretty tired. I've spent like, I don't know, £100, £150. but it's worth it because it's Boxing Day. This is Oxford Street at night, guys. Look how crowded it is, but on the bright side, it's so beautiful, especially during Christmas, which is now. It has lights all over, and yeah, it's just really beautiful. So yeah guys, that's all from my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So these are all of the stuff. Mira, show your stuff. That's what she got, and that's all what I've got down there. Definitely guys, come here if you're planning to do your shopping. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you. What?
I was gonna be like, subscribe.
Okay, you say it. Okay, come on.
Wait, what do I say?
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And comment. And share.
And share.
Anyways, yeah. See you guys. Bye. Mira, bye. Bye.